Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to import leave balances in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go to the bottom left, click on Operations, and in here, click on Leave Tracker. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go to the top tab, and then here, just click on Customize Balance. Okay. Now, once it loads, right here, you have the three dots. Now, what you'll do is just basically click on Import, like so. Now, click on Import File and select your XLS or CSV file. Okay, as it says here, only XLS and CSV formats are supported. Click on it, hit on Open. Now, once done, modify balance using what? Single date for all entries or specific date for each entry. Okay, for example, from here and hit on Next. Now, what you'll do in here is just map the fields, or you can go ahead and click on Auto Map Fields right here. If the balances were downloaded or exported from Zoho itself, you can go ahead and click on Auto Map Fields. Okay, confirm. If not, you can go ahead and manually map the fields right here. Employee ID, new balance, leave type, reason. Okay, hit on Next, and once that's done, everything right here will be updated. All right, and there you have it. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and click on Customize right here and easily update the balance. Okay, says here, for example, existing balance of 30 for leave accrual. Okay, you can go ahead and change the balance right here, for example, 100. And once done, hit on Submit, and it's now changed. Okay, customize again if you want to. For employees right here, for example, Miss Raya, we're going to change this one to 100. Hit on Save. It's now 100. Okay, for Tristan right here, customize Tristan, leave accrual 100, save. There you go. That is how you import leave balances here in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.